2025 furniture trends and bold paint pairings. Modern living room decor ideas for a fresh update. Step into 2025 with breathtaking furniture design trends and stunning paint color combinations that redefine modern living room decor. This year, the spotlight is on a masterful fusion of comfort and style, where luxurious textures, eco-friendly materials, and bold accent decor captivate attention. Imagine sleek modular sofas that offer both versatility and elegance, or statement coffee tables that serve as both functional pieces and conversation starters. Every design element is meticulously crafted to create a space that exudes warmth and invites relaxation. Whether your preference leans toward minimalist aesthetics or the rustic modern charm, these innovative ideas promise to infuse your home with sophistication and individuality. Selecting the perfect paint color combinations is as crucial as choosing the right furniture. Soft, earthy neutrals such as warm beige and muted terracotta impart a cozy, inviting ambience, while rich shades like deep navy blue and emerald green introduce depth and sophistication. These colors, complemented by accent walls, metallic finishes, and textured decor, establish a setting that appears effortlessly stylish. Ambient lighting plays a pivotal role, transforming the mood and enhancing the overall aesthetic. Integrate statement rugs and nature-inspired elements to complete your vision of a modern living room that seamlessly balances comfort with contemporary flair. This moment offers a fantastic opportunity to refresh your home, drawing inspiration from trending furniture designs and inspiring color palettes. Let your creativity take center stage with carefully curated focal pieces, from artisanal coffee tables to elegant console tables, each enhancing the unique character of your space. Whether you're embarking on a comprehensive redesign of your living room or simply incorporating a few standout pieces, these trends will turn your home into a cozy yet sophisticated haven. Are you ready to actualize your vision? Dive into these trends and transform your living area into a sanctuary that truly resonates with your sense of home and style. With these emerging trends at your fingertips, your living room will not only reflect the cutting edge of design, but also offer a personal haven that harmonizes beauty with function. Embrace this evolution in style as an opportunity to craft a living room that is not only visually captivating, but also a true reflection of your personal taste and lifestyle.